Let's say you have a model like GPT 4.1. It's a pre trained model, which means it has already been trained on a ton of data and it's ready to use. Now, suppose you want this model to create medical reports in a very specific format using the right terminology and staying consistent every time. Can you do it with just prompting? Yes, you could write a long instruction like use this format, include these sections, use medical terms precisely. But the problem is, you would have to repeat those instructions every single time. And even then, the model might wander off. Sometimes too verbose, sometimes missing fields, sometimes way too inconsistent. So, how do we solve this? That's where fine tuning comes in. Instead of retraining from scratch, fine tuning lets you adjust a base model like GPT 4.1 using many input output examples. You give it patient data as input and formatted reports as output. The model learns the desired structure and language style from these examples. After fine tuning, you no longer need complex prompts. The model simply knows how to respond. Here is the recipe. A base LLM like GPT 4.1, GPT 3.5, or Llama, which already understands language. Example of your preferred outputs, in this case, a dataset of correctly formatted medical reports. The fine tuning process, which adjusts the model's weight so it automatically mimics that style which we want. Think of it like this: the model already knows how to speak. Fine tuning is like giving it a specialized coach who says, okay, from now on, speak in this way. Training a model is teaching it from scratch, while fine tuning is changing format or adapting a new style. This makes the model more consistent, more reliable, and less dependent on complicated prompts. And that's how fine tuning is being used today in customer support, medical summaries, creative writing, even teaching assistants. That's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.